Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'll show you AMS360 when integrated with Lightspeed Voice. This integration allows you to receive call pop-ups on inbound and outbound calls, call details loaded into AMS360 automatically, quick access to call recordings, and more. To get started, let's set up Lightspeed Voice's Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in Quantum and choosing Download Orbit. After installing the software, you'll need to enter your login credentials from Lightspeed Voice. To integrate with AMS360, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, and click the plus icon. This will direct you to the Integration Setup page within Quantum. In Quantum, you can find integrations under Management, Lead Settings, Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then enter the integration name as AMS360 and select AMS360 as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to AMS360. Enter your AMS360 credentials and you'll establish the connection between Lightspeed Voice. Before you can start receiving call pop-ups, you need to adjust your Orbit call pop-up settings. This can be done on the integration page as well as in the Orbit application under Integrations. You can choose from four options: None, Inbound, Outbound, and All. You'll need to enable triggers in the section below to activate them. It is recommended you enable all of them to fully utilize the integration. When I answer the incoming call, the AMS360 application will appear, taking me directly to the caller's information. You can now easily access call recordings, data, texts, and emails with the added convenience of receiving call pop-ups for new calls. After the call is finished, you'll be able to view all the relevant details related to that call, including a link to the call recording. Additionally, you can access any text message or email exchange you've had with that contact in the log. This way, all your communication with that contact will be conveniently organized in one location. This has been setting up our AMS360 integration, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.